Hi everyone. I thought I'd make a quick tutorial of how I quickly make a worksheet for showing videos to my students. What I'll do is I'll go to a YouTube channel like this. It's Linus Tech Tips. It's pretty neat. And I'll get the video going.
And it's been my daily grab ever since.
There we have
it's obsolete now,
the video.
Now
go down here to these three dots, hit open transcript. And let me kill the sound up here. And then when the transcript, I usually wait till it's done. Then I select everything. No, I scroll down through here. I collect all the text. I'll just take a little bit of it. For example, I'll open a Word document. I'll paste everything in. And then even if I've only seen a video once and I've chosen it for a certain lesson, but I'm under the gun to write up some questions, I can just go through the transcript and pick out the important parts of the video and turn that into a question. So for example, I just get rid of that. I don't care about the mistake. Oh, I wanted them to know about there's a slim aluminum unibody chassis. So I take that out. And then I would use aluminum unibody chassis as part of my first question. And I would go down the whole transcript and pick out about 10 questions. That way the students have to pay attention to the video so they can finish their worksheet, which is going to be their exit ticket. Or at the very least, it is, it's a tool for you to open up a dialogue with the student, for me to open up a dialogue with the student, to ask them why they are not participating and on task. I just wanted to try out this quick video. Bye.